Hello, hello, hello. Welcome everybody. My name's Linda and I live here in Warrington in the northwest of the UK. So today, what have I got for you today? I've got a couple of parcels from Toft UK. So I've got this and I've got my Toft quarterly magazine summer 2023, and yeah, so there's all lots of different patterns in there. It's all about the fruit this month, and all different fruits, the pineapple dragon fruit. I've got the pineapple wrist warmers. So yeah, so I'll have a good look at that. Oh, look at this bag. This is nice. This is nice. Look at that bag. So there's that, and inside I got a knit pattern. I got the crochet strawberry and the garden vegetable book telling me about that, and the bird club and the doll club. So yes, so shall we dig in and see what we've got? I'm taking part, Sarah Moo, Crafty Moo Sarah, I'll put her link below, it is doing a make along, and it's called #Moo's Flower Power Cow, and every month we're making a flower of some sort, and I made a brooch first time, and I've got some more. Oh, I've got a different pattern this time. I've got a knit ripple beanie. Oh, that's nice. My order, so that's that. So all nicely packaged, and yet again another bag which has got the yarn in, but I got the primrose, guys, look, the primrose patch. I've not decided where I'm going to put all these yet, but so with that in mind, I noticed that Toft, which is a UK company, does have their own yarn and everything, had done Alexandra's garden flowers, 30 crochet flower patterns. So I love my flowers, and I had to look at the book, and I thought, you know what, this would be ideal to take part in my sweet friend Sarah Moo's challenge. It tells you all about the book, and tells you the tools that you need and everything, and then it tells you all about, look at that, look at all the different flowers you can make. So let's see if I can go through the flowers. So shows you how to do the leaves, and all reading a chart and learning the stitches, and you can do a practice bulb, and then the projects. So we've got the aconite. I wonder if it tells you all. I don't want to go through every single picture. So yes, so we've got the aconite, the snowdrop, crocus, primrose, daffodil, heather, iris, hyacinth, tulip, lily, allium, ranunculus, carnation, bluebell, peony, chrysanthemum, alstroemeria, rose, petunia, fuchsia, hydrangea, French lavender, clematis, poppy, foxglove, sunflower, gerbera, marigold, dahlia, and echinacea. I can never say that. Anyway, but look at that rose. Look at that rose. That's gorgeous. So what they are, they're like little, look at the ranunculus. So I'll just show you a few. So this is the ranunculus, and we've got the allium, and they're like little bodies, got little bodies on them. And this is the lily, and I'm looking for, what page is the poppy? 122. I thought doing the poppy, oh look, I mean the poppy here is in white, but you could do it in red, obviously for you know, the remembrance. And what's this one? The clematis. So all the flowers absolutely beautiful. What else have we got? Let's see. Oh, look at this. This is the hyacinth. How fab is that? So with that in mind, I picked these colours. So what I've done, I've picked, I've got the green, I've got hyacinth, I've got the yellow, I've got the lime, I've got the coral, and I've got violet. So there are the six colours that I got, but I will add to it. And I just need to now pick a flower, because I've done May. I've done May, so I did a viola brooch, and I'm going to decide what I need to do for June. So yeah, so definitely check out this book. It's lovely. I really like it. It's by Kerry Lord. You know, Kerry is prolific designer for Toft, and there she is there, and she is on Instagram as well, so check her out, guys. She's and I love the way they've put kind of beginner, easy and intermediate, so they've kind of given you it in plant stages, a seed, and then the little sprouts, and then it flowers. So yeah, so I'm really looking forward to this, and we will see how I get on. Fingers crossed how I get on, guys. So we're quite looking forward to it. So that, guys, is all from me for today, and I hope you have an amazing day, week, whatever time you're watching this. But thank you so much for all the love and support, for all your thumbs up. And as Sam from Man for Make says, thummies are free, everybody. And I'm trying to stop saying guys. I'm really trying. If it offends anybody, I'm sorry, but I noticed the other day that I keep saying that, and I must stop it. So thank you all so much, my yarny friends. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. Until the next video, bye bye for now.